Hello, welcome to episode 3. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever received money, and then suddenly, a few days later, it was completely gone? No idea where it went. No idea what you bought. It just disappeared. If that has happened to you, don't worry, it happens to many people. But today you are going to learn a very simple system that smart money users follow. It is called the 3 money buckets. Imagine this. You receive £20 as pocket money. You feel excited, you buy a snack after school, then maybe a small toy, then a drink, and suddenly, your £20 is gone. Not because you made a terrible choice, but because your money had no plan. When money has no plan, it disappears very quickly. That is why smart people organize their money. One of the easiest ways to manage money is by using 3 simple buckets. Imagine you have 3 jars on a table. Each jar has a different purpose. The first jar is called spend. This is money you can use for small, fun things right now. Maybe snacks, small toys, or something you enjoy. The second jar is called save. This money is for bigger goals in the future. Maybe you are saving for a football, a book series, or something special you really want. The third jar is called share. This money is used to help others. It could be donating to charity, helping someone in need, or giving a thoughtful gift. These 3 buckets help your money stay organized. Let us look at an example. Sarah receives £12. Instead of spending everything at once, she decides to divide it between her buckets. She puts £6 in the spend bucket, £4 in the save bucket, and £2 in the share bucket. Now Sarah can enjoy something small today, save for something bigger later, and still help someone else. Her money now has a purpose. This simple system teaches 3 powerful habits. Spending teaches you to enjoy your money responsibly. Saving teaches you patience and planning. Sharing teaches kindness and generosity. When these 3 habits grow together, you build a very healthy relationship with money. And that is something many adults wish they had learned earlier. Next time you receive money, try the 3 bucket system. Ask yourself, how much will I spend? How much will I save? And how much will I share? Because people who grow strong with money do not let money control them. They learn to guide their money with intention. And now you know how to start. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.